Hello, I'm Chrissie. I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and expert in all things digital cutting. Today I'm going to show you how to create a door decal for your home this Christmas using a Cricut machine. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and press the bell icon for notifications on future videos. Open the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub webpage and navigate to Cricut How to Make a Front Door Decal project. Click the link in the introductory paragraph and open the project using Cricut Design Space app when prompted. Select Customize. Resize the wreath to your desired size, followed by the Merry Christmas greeting. Select the wreath design and ungroup the elements. Change the colour of your leaves and foliage to suit the vinyl colours you wish to use. Once happy with the design, click Make It. Once through to the map preview screen, check everything is correct before clicking Continue. Once through to the machine setup screen, select the appropriate cut setting. Secure your material to the cutting mat, then follow the on-screen instructions to carry out the cut. Remove the vinyl from the mat and use the weeder tool to remove elements from the design you do not wish to transfer onto the door. Start applying the elements to your door using transfer tape. Keep adding the elements until your design is complete. Thanks for joining me for this video. For more Cricut inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. See you for more videos soon.